Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. Hi, everyone. We're really excited to have you with us today. If you find it difficult to think in English, then this episode is made especially for you. Exactly. Have you ever caught yourself translating every single word in your head before speaking? It slows you down a lot, doesn't it? Definitely. Many English learners have this problem. They think in their native language, then translate into English, and by the time they're ready to speak, the moment is already gone. But don't worry, in today's episode, we'll show you how to train your mind to think directly in English, just like native speakers. And trust me, once you develop this skill, everything becomes easier. Speaking, listening, even writing. So if you want to stop translating and start thinking in English naturally, stay with us. We've got some powerful techniques to share. Why is thinking in English so important? Let's start with the big question. Why does thinking in English matter so much? Great question. If you always think in your native language and then translate, you'll never reach real fluency. Right, it creates a delay. Your brain is doing double work. First, forming the sentence in your language, then searching for English words. And sometimes the translation ends up sounding strange. Exactly. For example, someone might translate, I have cold, word for word, and end up saying, I have cold, which doesn't sound natural in English. Thinking in English helps you avoid this. It trains your brain to form sentences the way native speakers do. It also boosts confidence. Words come to you faster, and you stop pausing while thinking. And your listening skills improve too. When you think in English, you process English conversations much faster. Even your pronunciation becomes better because you start hearing English sounds naturally in your mind. Common mistakes that stop learners from thinking in English. Now that we know why it's important, let's talk about common mistakes that hold learners back. Mistake number 1, relying too much on translation. If you translate everything in your head, your brain never learns to think in English directly. Mistake number 2, focusing too much on grammar. Trying to make every sentence perfect slows you down. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. Mistake number 3, fear of making mistakes. Some learners are so afraid of saying something wrong that they stop themselves completely. Mistake number 4, not surrounding yourself with English. If you only use English in class, your brain won't switch to English automatically. 6 steps to train your brain to think in English. Step 1, name the things around you. Look at objects and say their names in English. Bed, window, lamp, phone. You can also describe actions. I'm drinking coffee. Step 2, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm cooking dinner. I'm getting dressed. Step 3, use an English dictionary. Instead of translating excited, read feeling very happy and eager. This builds real English thinking. Step 4, think in simple sentences first. Start with short ideas. Instead of, I should go to the store because, just think, I need vegetables. Step 5, create an inner English voice. Ask yourself questions in English. What should I do today? What should I wear? Step 6, surround yourself with English. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read articles to keep your brain in English mode. Daily exercises to make English thinking a habit. 1. Start and end your day in English thoughts. Morning. Today is Monday. I have a meeting at 10. Evening. What did I do today? Did I enjoy it? Number 2. Set a no translation challenge for 30 minutes. Think in English only for half an hour each day. Number 3. Talk out loud to yourself. Describe daily activities out loud. Number 4. Use English while doing simple tasks. While walking, the sky is blue. The weather is nice today. Number 5. Keep a simple English journal. Write your thoughts daily. Don't worry about grammar. Overcoming common challenges. Challenge 1. Thinking first in your native language. Solution: start with simple words and phrases. Challenge 2: not knowing the right words. Solution: describe things using simple English. A cold box for food. Refrigerator. Challenge 3: feeling like you're not improving. Solution: track your progress. Record yourself, write in a journal, or speak in front of a mirror. Final message: thinking in English is a journey, but with patience and daily practice, anyone can do it. Start small, stay consistent, and don't fear mistakes. Your fluency will grow naturally over time.